Hi again, everyone. All right, so today what we're going to do is laugh a little, probably, because I learned self taught to use a circular saw for the first time, and you're about to witness this. I didn't watch a YouTube video. I think that's going to be pretty obvious. I hope that's obvious. Um, but hey, you don't learn if you don't try. I was really nervous to even try this, super nervous to try this, so nervous to try this. And this is a big step. I have to be able to accomplish this before I will let myself tackle the fireplace. There's a whole other tool I have to learn to use before I will tackle the fireplace. So this is the start of that. Actually, what I decided to do was build a planter box, a great big huge planter box, so that I have less grass to mow in the backyard and I can make something decorative and cute to take up that space. And I thought I would practice using the saw by building the planter box. So the planter box will be coming soon, but for now, enjoy the saw. Where's the line? I'm so nervous about starting this. How am I going to keep this from moving while because I need to be on the other side of it? And there it is, folks. I cut the sticks. I had like 3 more to cut after this. And were they all the same length? Nope. Were they completely smooth? No. But I did it. I cut the sticks. And I have ordered a new tool that I'll have to show you soon so that I can cut them off after I assembled the garden bed. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.